After all the drama with the YouTube adpocalypse and everything, people think that YouTube is not a viable business anymore. Stick till the end of this video and you're gonna learn 3 ways how you can earn money, even if you're a small YouTuber and under 10,000 subscribers. So let's get right into it. YouTube guys, it's Reinis here, and I help influencers to further their income and impact with social media. And to get the most out of this video, I want you to click the full screen button right here and watch this video on full screen. So yeah, let's get right into it. I have earned 1,147 bucks from my main YouTube channel, and in here I'm gonna break down exactly what I did during this sum of money. So let's go. Number one, I've tried kind of doing physical products in the past, but here's the thing with physical products. The profit margins are low and it's a huge hassle to create them. For example, in the fitness industry, those can be supplements, those can be, shirts. And the biggest problem with those is, with shirts, you can sell it for like 15 bucks, something like that. And the profit margin would be like $7. Not that much of a margin, if you say. The thing is, I found a way to go. The best way to sell any product on social media is, sell digital products. Why not do those? Because digital products, you can scale them super easily. The only investment is time, most of the time. No pun intended though. Yeah, there's just no hassle for you, right? The only expenses you might have is just paying for Teachable, stuff like that. And I'm gonna show you the places where to host your online products. There are gonna be the links in the description as well. So yeah, as I told you guys, digital products is the way to go. With digital products, the profit margin is just huge. It's just huge. For me, I have a course in fitness. It teaches people everything they need to know about fitness to get the body of their dreams. I have interviewed a lot of professionals in the area, me myself. I put my experience into that, and I basically put a lot of time into that, and that's my main source of income, right? Along with that, I have a couple of workout plans for like 10 bucks, something like that, an ebook, and yeah, those are my digital products. So the thing is, with digital products, you don't want to just put something out there and hope somebody's gonna buy it. With YouTube, how do you do this? On YouTube, you create value, then you watch the video and everything's for free. With paid products, with digital products, you give 10 times the value you give in your YouTube videos and you ask some money for it. The more money you ask, the more value you give. And this is actually why people would buy your digital products. So the second thing would be selling physical products, but wait. When you don't create them. And I'm not talking about dropshipping, if you know what the term is. It's gonna be on the screen right now. I'm talking about affiliate marketing. You might have heard it a lot of times, affiliate marketing. What the fuck is actually affiliate marketing? Like, is it a fucking scam? What is it? When you're an affiliate marketer, you're kind of like a salesman, right? So you can create videos about a product, about stuff you use. Like Casey Neistat uses affiliate marketing himself. He has all of his camera gear down in the description of the video, and if anybody purchases something of that camera gear, Casey Neistat gets a commission. And this is how affiliate marketing works. You're almost like a salesman. What you can do, I'm gonna try to find something. So this waterboard Xiaomi, you can be like an affiliate marketer from them. I'm not saying that you'll become one for them, but it can be for any company almost out there. Like for example, for this microphone, I can have an Amazon affiliate link down below if you want to get this microphone, that camera, the lens, my TV, whatever. So one place would be Amazon affiliates. But the thing is, with Amazon, you get small commissions, like 6%, and the commissions vary as well. Like if you're trying to sell tech stuff, the commissions are going to be lower. But thing still is, if a couple of people buy it, you get like 30-40 bucks of that, and that's just great. Then a thing you can do, you can become an affiliate for courses. I have affiliates for my course as well. If it's a $100 course, somebody buys it, they get $30. Boom. And the best thing for this is, you don't need to go out there, promote the product, create a product. You don't have to do nothing. You just have to promote it. And most of the times, when someone just has to do that, the person who owns a course or owns a product, they have already done the hard stuff for you. They have marketed it, they have gotten like already some kind of social proof for the product that it works, and you just have to promote it even more, even further. Boom, you're in a commission. Then the third thing, I'm gonna have a bonus one as well, so stay tuned for that. The third thing is shoutouts, and I'm gonna quickly run over that. You can easily get, like for me, when I put out a 2-hour shoutout, I easily get 40 bucks. That's $20 an hour. That's great. On my first Instagram page, it's that has like 13k followers. It's pretty much like passive income. I'm gonna have a page where you can, you know, sign up and get companies come to you and buy shoutouts. Down in the description, it's called shoutouts card. But yeah, now let's go in the fourth bonus one. Sponsorships. Those are huge. And even if you think, oh, I'm not big enough to become sponsored, yada, 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 click the video up here and check the video out where I told you exactly how to get sponsorships. Even if you're not a huge page, a huge channel, it's gonna be valuable for you. With sponsorships, you're gonna get free stuff. Like for example, for me, Smart Shake, I'm not gonna go to get it right now. Actually, fuck it, I'm gonna go. You get like kind of like free, you get like free stuff. That's the number one thing. Then as well, with sponsorships, you can get paid to like advertise something on your page. Like for example, with me, the Smart Shake, they just sent me a couple of you know bottles over, and they paid me some money to promote it on my page. Then as well, I had this one supplement company who sent me a bunch of like samples of their supplements, and I had to promote them on my story, and I got $300 off of that. That was fucking lit. Just a couple of stories with me drinking them. Boom. Guys, thank you so much for watching. This is literally it, everything I had to tell you. And yeah, the camera is looking great, guys. So if you want to get this camera, get down below to my affiliate links. JK, nah. But seriously, if you want to see what my setup is, I'm gonna have a link on screen right now as the end card. So guys, thank you for watching, and peace out.